Hello, I'm going to show you how to use Workspace Automation. So first of all, you will need to install the add-on. For that, you can click on the link directly within the Workspace Automation website. And once you've installed the add-on, you will be able to find it directly within your Gmail inbox sidebar here. The next step will be to connect services. So basically the tools that you are using on a daily basis. So for example, here I've connected Aircall, HubSpot, and Intercom. And now that I've done that, I can directly, for example, search any type of resource within those services. So here I can enter the name of a contact to try to find it within Aircall, HubSpot, or Intercom. And that's basically how it works. And if you are within an email thread, basically, the Workspace Automation tool is going to automatically do the research for you. So it's going to fetch on all the services that you have connected to try to find relevant information. So for example, here regarding this person, I found basically a contact in Aircall. I found out that there is also a call attached to this contact. There is also information in Intercom and HubSpot. In HubSpot, it's related to a contact, an organization. There is also a deal associated with this contact and some task that I need to do. You can dive into any resources. So for example, here I'm going to open the HubSpot contact. You will be able to find relevant information about this contact. You will be able also to perform some actions. So for example, here I could create a task directly attached to this contact. And if I need to perform more complex or advanced action, I can always click on upon in HubSpot, for example here, and it's going to open the contact directly within my tool. So that's basically how it works in Gmail. And regarding the integration with Google Sheet, basically, you will be able to perform two more actions. So the first one will be to be able to import resources. So for example, here, I can decide to import, let's say, contact from HubSpot. So I'm going to click on HubSpot. I'm going to select contact. And then basically, I will have to enter a query. So basically the information that I want within those contacts. So I want to retrieve all the contacts that contain the last name Doe. So I'm going to make the query. So basically here what the add-on is going to do is that it's going to query your HubSpot contacts with your requests. And here you find above 300 contacts within HubSpot. So I'm going to select one in order to do a first mapping. So in order to define what I want to retrieve from those contacts. So I want to retrieve their email, first name, last name, and let's add the creation date. And I can import now those 324 contacts directly within Google Sheets. So that's basically how you can very easily import a lot of information from your business tool. So on top of being able to import your resources, you could also create resources directly within your tool. So for example, here I can decide to batch create a lot of contacts, those contacts basically directly in HubSpot. So I would select HubSpot, then I would select contacts, and then once again I will need to basically do the mapping. So I can very easily map field out. So for example, here I'm going to add the first name, then the last name. I want to add the email. And for example here, and basically being able to create those 10 contacts just like this. So that's basically how the whole add-on works so far. So we plan to add even more integration, even with Google Drive, Google Docs. But that's basically for the next step. Let us know what you think about the add-on, and hope you enjoyed it. Bye.